In this video, we will go over features and benefits of air compressors manufactured by Industrial Gold. Industrial Gold air compressors are manufactured for people who need their equipment to work as hard as they do.
Mounted on a 60-gallon tank, our LH1 and LH2 series air compressors are approximately 77 DBAs at 8 feet from the compressor package. Silencer installed on an LH1 and LH2 series compressor pump mounted on 20, 10, or 60-gallon tanks. Your DBAs can drop into the 74 to 74.5 range.